Well, today is the 4th of June. Beep, I know. I hear you. Beep, beep. Oh, hi, Indica. Welcome back. Oh. You can start a fight with that Hagrid. I bring you? What a sweet baby girl. Oh. Did Sammy make you nervous? Hey, Thistle. Oh, no. Thistle looked like he was going to fight you over that spot. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I didn't ask first. Indy, can I preen you? Indy, can I preen you? No? Okay. You can tell an invitation peck. It's usually much softer. Yeah. We're having some snuggle time with Leela while we watch everybody else. Hi, Oliver. So Oliver's paperwork was officially sent off to his family to be last night for hopeful approval. Hi, Thistle. Thistle, this part's not on my legs. Can I bring you? Oh, there's an Oliver on my head. No, that's a Cody. Sorry. That Oliver is still over here. Hi, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. You can come step up. No, okay. Hi, Oliver. Those of you who are asking what Elliot's personality is like, it's like this. She is very much a cuddle bug. She's an unspeakably rotten cuddle bug. Indica is only slightly less rotten. Huh, baby? Hi, Oliver. Oliver is a lap boy. He doesn't super like me to reach for him, which may be a problem. Something I need to talk to his mom about. Mom, Dad, I never asked. Oh, goodness, Leela. Oh. Does Leela want the nurses? Or is she trying to scare me away? Either one's okay. I mean, I can't exactly leave my own lap. Oh, hi, Oliver. He is standing on the hand holding the camera. Oliver is definitely a people-friendly boy, but he is very much a boy. Cocks are usually platonically touch repulsed. If a flockmate is going to touch a cock, it's generally another cock about to start a fight. Now he's on my head. And we'll focus on Luxie and Lily and see if that'll actually take this time. Nope, not even close. What's funny is she really wants him to mate with her. You can see her lifting her tail and spreading her feathers, but anytime anybody gets close, she spooks and runs away. So we may not actually get any peeps out of Luxie, ever. And, you know, considering how, frankly, detrimentally skittish she is, might not be a bad thing. We'll find out. She'll have time. Oh, I see you preen me. I bet you. Oh, it looks like your dad's about to go feed you. Okay, well, step up. Hold on, Cody. I got her. Good girl. All right, Indy, I need you to get down so I can move. Hey, Cody, I've got the baby. I'm bringing her to you. I'm bringing you this baby. That's okay. Here you go, Leela. No doubt he'll come back in a minute. As soon as I've moved away. Sorry, Ellie. Oh. Yeah, I know I'm hard to balance on when I'm moving. That's why I tell y'all to get in. Leela is back in her nest. Cody has gone to visit his parents. He'll be back to feed her in a minute. Either he or Rigby. Hi, Puddin'. You can see Puddin' is still perfectly happy to have people company. Also, Elliot made that entire trip on my shoulder. Didn't lose her wee bitty balance once, did you, baby? That's my nose. Yeah, I hear it, Puddin'. Hi, Ellie. Excuse me. Ellie is a very rare lab visitor. Oh, I checked on the tracking for... I checked on the tracking for my lab equipment. Oh, hi, Alex. See if Alex decides to be brave. Hello, PJ. Hey, good boy. Beep, 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 beep. I know, I hear you. This Puddin' is on my arm. And that Elliot is not happy about her encroaching on the shoulder she wants. Well, look at that beep. She's almost able to back up. Oh no. Mistakes were made, Alex. You got too close to the proximity alarm. Proximity alarm's dad has arrived to save the day, but not to feed the proximity alarm. Oh my lord. He got distracted by Sammy immediately. And off goes that Puddin'. Oh, that's why PJ was here. He's here because Puddin' was. He does love him his Puddin'. Hey, Indica. What was I in the middle of saying? Maybe that... Oh, right. Check the tracking for my laboratory equipment. My slides and cover slips and test tubes and pipettes. And those should get here tomorrow. So, tomorrow, we will do... Oh, hello, Elliot. Elliot has now hopped on my formerly camera hand. Hey, baby. Oh, a stretchy girl. We don't actually know the sex. We're going by behavior. Elliot behaves very hen-like. And Thistle behaves very cockish. But that's not a guarantee. Oh, now he's back to feed her. Which is a bit of a challenge. She's big and strong and is actually strong enough to shove him off the lip of his own nest box. Anyway, sorry. If the equipment comes on time tomorrow, I should be able to go ahead and get the 2 fecals that I immediately need done. There we go. Good beep. I know, little peep. I know you're very full. Oh no, Oliver got too close to his tiny niece. Oh, hi, Thistle. Thistle is up here and wants the nursies now. You want the nursies, a sweet boy? Peep? You want those?